it's much easier. So that's why we wanted it. This is the hardest year.
You made that last year.
Like in general, and also with my report. So, as we've been talking about, right? Okay, we ready to go? Everybody remember the rules? Anybody not here for the last, any of the three of you? You were here for the last one? The last Kieser quiz? Okay, so we're good to go. True or false? It's wrong. Okay. True or false? Although agnostic, Robert Jastrow astoundingly made, astoundingly made theistic statements about the origin of the universe. Go. Yes. True. That's true. True or false? According to the facts in chapter 3 of the text, the characteristics of the first cause are the same characteristics that theists ascribe to God. Go. Yes, that's true. True or false? Guess we didn't need to do that. Back over here. We got a better guitar over here. Okay. Okay, true or false? Einstein said, "Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind." Go. Yes, that's true. True or false? According to the second law of thermodynamics, the universe is expanding. Go. False. Very good. Very good. True or false? The second law is that the universe is running out of energy, not that it's expanding. It is expanding, but that's not the right law. True or false? Einstein called the cosmological constant the greatest discovery of his life. Go. It was his fudge factor. Go. It's a true-false question. You got a 50-50 chance. Yeah, he called it the greatest blunder of his life. That fudge factor where he divided by 0, which you can't do. Apparently, I didn't know. I don't know anything about that, but whatever. Okay, next question. Excuse me. What law says that everything that comes to be or has a beginning must have a cause? What is that? What is that called? Yes.
The law of causality.
The law of causality. Yes. True or false? The first law of thermodynamics states that the total amount of energy in the universe is constant. That's true. True or false? The cosmic rebound theory was proposed by theists. Go. Yes. False. That's false. Atheists. True or false? The theory of general relativity demands a beginning for time, space, and matter. In other words, beginning of the universe. Go. Yes. That's true. Who is the quarterback of the Nebraska Cornhuskers? Go. Whoa. Go. Dylan Rowe. True or false? True or false? The fact that radioactive uranium has not turned to lead is geological evidence that the universe had a beginning. Go. That's true. Okay, next question. Next question. Who accidentally discovered cosmic background radiation? There's two answers here. Go.
Ooh.
There's two people.
One of their first names Nathan. Nathaniel.
Okay, you got to figure that one out. You got to find that one. Next question. Who confirmed through observation that the universe is expanding from a single point? Go. Wow, that was really close.
Hubble from the Hubble telescope.
Yes. Yes. Oh, from his telescope,
From
but
his
it wasn't the Hubble because that was named after him.
Hubble.
Who wrote God and the Astronomers? Go.
I didn't hear the question.
Who wrote the book God and the Astronomers? Okay, you got to figure out that one too. Who created the theory of general relativity? Go.
Albert Einstein.
Yes. Next question. Who conducted an experiment during a solar eclipse that proved the validity of the theory of general relativity? Go. Yeah. Wait. No. Wait. Oh, I'm down here. Thank you. That helps. Yes, you're right. I had to keep. Okay, so what is the common name for the belief that the universe exploded into being? Go. Josh.
Big
Joshua,
Bang.
I mean, Josh.
Sorry.
You would have gotten it. I'm so sorry. My son's name is Joshua. I call him Josh. So. Okay. What satellite was launched to detect ripples in the background radiation? Go. Yes. Yes. Next question. Finish this statement. If the universe had a beginning, then the universe had a what? Go.
Created.
Cause. Had a cause.
Oh.
We're not saying the cause. We're not saying yet that the cause is a creator or a God.
Yeah,
but it had to have a cause.
I remember it was a C word.
Who is the quarterback of the Kansas City Chiefs? Go. Yes.
Patrick Mahomes.
Yes.
How did you know that good stuff?
Because he likes the
Next question. From where or what is the universe expanding? Go. Yes. A single point. Next question. What is the name of the philosophical argument for the beginning of the universe? Go.
Cosmological.
That's only part of it. There's something more. The Kalam cosmological argument. The cosmological argument is scientific. The Kalam cosmological argument is philosophical. Okay, what does the S in surge stand? Go.
Oh my goodness! You're not even.
You said something first, but you stood up first. Yes.
The second law of thermodynamics.
The second law of thermodynamics. What does the U stand for in surge? Go. Yes. The universe is expanding. What does the R stand for in the surge acronym? Go. That was it. Oh, did you pass off this?
She just said it out loud.
Okay.
Oh, my bad, I was a big bang, but I wasn't sure.
Did you say radiation?
Yes.
You got this.
Glad you know that. Next question. What does GOP stand for? Go.
Wait.
This is not from the book.
Oh yeah. I assume.
It is the nickname for the Republican Party. Anyone know what GOP stands for? Go. Grand Old Party.
I was gonna say great insanity.
What does the G in Surge stand for? Go. Yes.
Galaxy seeds.
No!
What type?
Not completely yet.
Great galaxies.
Great Galaxy Seeds. What does the E in Surge stand for? Go. Rock, paper, scissors.
Einstein's theory of general relativity.
You got it exactly right. Good job.
Good job.
Bullcrap. I've got like 8 questions.
Name one characteristic of the first cause. Go. Name one.
I can't hear the question.
Name one characteristic of the first cause that we can know through creation. Go. Yes.
There was in fact like a big boom of radiation in life.
No, we're talking about characteristics of you're tall.
Oh,
Okay. Yes.
Like a very powerful.
Yes, unimaginably powerful.
Wow.
Unimaginably powerful. Name another. Go. Name another. Go. Yeah. Do you have a question? Yes.
It
Yes.
was very bright and grand.
No.
I believe
Yes.
Like outside of time.
Must exist outside of time and space. Yes. Okay, so those are on page 93. Shh. Make sure you look at page 93. Here's the quote. Name the movie. I'm going to try and do it in the accent. You keep using that word. I do not think it means what you think it means. Oh, yes.
Oh, wait. Oh. Say it again. Wait, is it for me?
You keep using that word. I do not think it means.
Oh, the Princess Bride?
Yes.
That's my favorite movie ever.
That's not on the test. Okay, I'm going to go get the test. I'm going to give you the rest of what you need to know. I'm going to put this on pause and hold. You can surmise from how brief this Kieser quiz was, and it's a 70-point test. So there's a lot of the test that is not true, false, or objective. Multiple choice, that sort of thing. So I'm going to read to you the rest of those things. I already talked to you about the essay, but I'll tell you that. So this is the short answer. Write out the cosmological argument and briefly explain what it means. So I want the 3 premises and then the conclusion, and then explain what it is. List and explain 3 characteristics of the first cause of the universe that can be gleaned from the cosmological evidence. So we did talk about that in the Kieser quiz, but I want you to explain it as well. And then what is surge? And then what does each letter of surge stand for? And then give a brief explanation of each component. So you're going to write surge down, and then you're going to say what each one of them it stands for, and then you're going to explain what that means. And then this question, how do the elements of surge, how do they respond to the question, does God exist? And you've got to look back in the book on this. Which quote from Robert Jastrow do you find most interesting? Why do you find it interesting? He was the one that was an atheist. And then once again, the essay. It's a 1-paragraph essay. But if you give me 2 or 3 or 4 sentences, it's not going to cut it. Okay? It needs to be a hefty paragraph. Read Romans 8 through 18 through 27. You can use your Bibles. How does this passage relate to the second law of thermodynamics? And then there's one extra credit question. So any questions about any of that? Okay. You can spend the rest of the hour studying. Whatever's left.